brand new video camera. And it's right over here. We have some lucky people who are going to open it. But first, let's find out why are we so excited to get a real video camera. So let me look around. Who can tell me? Why are you so excited to get a video camera? Let's go, David. Big loud voice so everyone can hear you.
It has better camera. It has better camera audio and camera quality.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Very good. What about someone else? Why are you so excited for this camera? Let's see. I think a girl. Angelina.
It has clear images.
Oh yeah, so like it won't be blurry anymore. Good point. Anything else? Let's see. Ethan.
Because you don't have to carry a chair with your laptop on it.
Yeah, we used to videotape with a laptop with a webcam, and we would have to bring like a chair as like our tripods. Now we have a real video camera. Great point. I'm glad you remembered that. Samantha, go ahead. Last one.
Because you can hear the audio more better.
Yeah, that was like so hard for us. We kept having to like try and type subtitles, and like people were talking really fast, and sometimes it's really hard to hear them. So we're so excited, and we're so grateful. So thank you from not only our news team, but from all EJ Marshall superstars who are going to get to enjoy this video. All right, yeah, girls, go ahead. Unbox it. What's inside? What do we get? Okay, so that looks like directions, right? What does that look like?
All the wires, yeah.
Yeah? You want to hold it up and show everybody kind of what it looks like? So some of them are wrapped in plastic. I think that round thing's the lens. Cool.
It's the actual camera.
Yeah, go ahead. Be careful with it. It's supposed to be really, really lightweight.
It is.
Go ahead. Can you open up the plastic? You guys think? Cool?
Yeah.
So cool. It looks like a movie camera.
It does.
Yeah.
It sure does.
There's a lot of buttons on it. Well, we're like movie stars.
Yeah, we're going to have to learn how to use all those buttons. I found some videos I'm going to try and show you guys so we can, because I don't know how to use all of them. I know like on and off and like record and stop, but there's a whole bunch of stuff on there that we're going to have to learn about. So I'm really excited to learn with you guys.
Lots to learn.
Yeah?
Have to put it to
All right, everybody, let's say, you guys get back to class. Everybody say goodbye and thank you one more